In this video, I will show you how to get the reply option on Instagram. Now, the first thing you have to do is to tap on this icon right here on the upper corner, and then click on the message you want to reply to. Now, say I want to reply to this message right here. All I have to do is to swipe it to the right, and now I can reply to this message. Another method to this is to long press that message and the reply option will be visible. Now, if you don't have any of this option, what you need to do is go to App Store or Play Store and then search for Instagram. Now, if it says update, you need to update your Instagram to the latest model. And if it says open, all you have to do is to open it. Now, if any of those does not work, you have to click on Profile and then click on the three lines on the upper corner and scroll down. Now you have to search for help, and then you can just report a problem. So that's the whole process.